What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I did get the car checked up already. You know, the head's already off. See, done. That's all. I just take the motor mounts out, lift the motor from the balancer, and then I'll be able to get the pan out that way. So I already did all that. There's the piston. Remember which way it goes, so I don't know, these little lines are here, and then up in the bottom. And then this line or dot right here is on this side, which is going straight down the block that way. I'll be able to just replace this one piston here. I believe next time it does happen, I will get all the forged pistons and do it that way. But now I need piston. Go ahead and push this pin up. I'll pick up the clamp for the rings, so I can push the piston back in the block. Pick up. Oh, actually take the head to work, and then replace one of the valves that actually hit right there. Replace the piston, and go from there. Hopefully this car will be running within a week, so that'll be awesome. Right here I got a brand new intake valve. Got a brand new piston. I got some head bolts for that one side, and then this off on this one. Put this rod on here, clamp maybe later on today, and then continue tomorrow. So see what I can do. Yeah.
Dad, when was the Jasmine's old scooter?
Alright, so this piston is off, which is a broken one. And then this one is on. Alright guys, so I did the ring gapping, pushed it in there, and then they gapped that at 0.24. So for now I just do it for stock specs, and that's what it looks like. So it looks good. Go ahead and put them on this piston, and I got the tool here, so I can go ahead and slide it in. So I got these compressor tool. Got the piston in there. You get like a rubber mallet or a wood stick, and then pop it in there pretty hard, bottom, and start tying the stuff down and start putting the motor back together. Put a new valve in it already. So I'll show you all that. I'll show you guys that right now in a bit. But let me push that in real quick. All right, what's up, guys? So I got the piston on, rings already, and all that cleaned up. I cleaned the surface, got back. That's the valve that was bent. So I went ahead and took the spring off and did a new valve, and then I resurfaced the bottom one with the little buffing pad. I used a valve lapping compound, and then I relapped it and all that stuff. I guess the spark plug hole had like a little debris in there, and there was a sharp edge. I had to grind that down a little bit just so it doesn't get melted or anything. It didn't get damaged at all, so that's a good thing. Got the head gasket here. Appreciate it to Lance. The reason why the head gaskets, GM doesn't have them, and it's taking forever to order. So I appreciate it for Lance to doing that. You know, he sent it on the house, so that's pretty cool. They're bolted. I also deleted the little valve on the oil pan next to the oil filter, so hopefully the oil pressure will raise up with that a little bit. And other than that, it's all done pretty much. So now it's time to torque my heads. So I got the snap on, got the grease, and also got the torque, of course. Hold on. here goes. Foot pounds. The first 1 through 10 will be 22 foot-pounds, and then second pass will be 90 degrees. Then the 1 through 8, 2 foot-pounds. First pass, so let me do that real quick. Alright, so that is my first pass, all 22 pounds on 1 through 10. And then the second pass will be 90 degrees, and it'll be 1 through 10. And then the third pass will be 1 through 8, 90 degrees. And then this one. And then the last one over there, which is 9 and 10. Those will be 50 degrees. At the, yeah, hit that 90. It's a workout. Whew, man, this thing works out your arm. So let me get the rest to 90, and I'm gonna go through the third pass. All right, so all the head bolts are torqued down. I did all these little ones. Just gonna bolt down all the rockers and then torque them down to 22 foot-pounds. And then that should be good to go. So let me tighten down. Alright, so I got the intake on, injectors are connected. I just gotta put the coil packs on. This valve cover is already on. Thought about it, I need to put it back on, and then I'm gonna put the new header on. And then I gotta screw down the ground over here. But you already seen how I did the ProCharged before, so I'm just gonna skip all this. And lost the bolt to the thing right here, so I'm gonna get one today after work or during work, and then I'll do it tomorrow. And it should be good. Yes, mama. Oh, thank you, thank you. And then should be good to go. So stay tuned, guys. Almost done. So I got the coils already on. This side manifolds is already on. So the new ones from eBay, I got a little header wrapped on there. Not this side, didn't do it. So I don't need it, I don't think. So the only thing I do left is put this oil. So I'm gonna run this oil for now. It is a T4 1540. I usually run the 2050, but I did the oil pan modification for the bypass on the valve, so everything's already on. But before I start, I gotta tie this down. So and I gotta go to the muffler shop. So I have it cut off right there, hanging. I gotta get them to cut it from right here and then connect it to the new headers. Yeah, 9.4. So I'll put almost all of it in there. I need 8 or 9 course. But other than that, everything's good. So just tighten this bolt. Alright, here it is, guys, all done. Got the oil in. And so here's the moment of truth. No O2 sensor, so I don't know how it's gonna act. Alright, I drove this car, but here it is. But I don't know why it popped. Let me check that out. Here it is, take 2. Scary, super down. All pressure's good, so we're good on that. All right, so it turned on, oil pressure seemed fine. Alright, so what's up, guys? So everything's done. Let me see. Alright, so I got the eBay headers on. Worked pretty good. I don't know who you are, get away. ProCharged piping's on, everything's on. Took it to the motor shop. and everything looks like it works good now. So, who are you? Psst. Get away! All right, stray dog here. So anyway, hope you don't bite me. Cold start this mug. Yeah, so everything's good. Put the key in real quick. It's awesome. I gotta fix the buzzing sound on the radio. But other than that, man, it's pretty good. So, everything sounds good. That shit feels better than actually before. Like, there's more compression to it. Alright, man, this thing is driving pretty damn good. I'll put on manual mode just so y'all can hear this thing. Sounds a beast. There it is, guys. It works. So there it is, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned to the channel. So I got 2 G8s to fix up. And 1 McDonald's. Got my system going. Pretty clean. But motor's running really good, so I'm happy to see how long it lasts.